A lot of people in Goa live in the interiors, on the estates, and in the monsoons. It's all very, very off-road. It's also an adventure sport. Unlike a music festival and other things which happen in Goa, it's an adventure sport. It's one of the world's top 10 toughest motorsport events, and it doesn't happen on any beach. It's all in the hinterland, inside the natural terrain. So very exciting for them to come and see. We would welcome all of them to come and see. It's very safe to watch also.
What is the timing? Like in Kepe and then Raya and Verna?
So we start in the morning at 9:30, but then the event goes on till we finish all the cars for the day. Sometimes we finish by 6, 7 in the evening. We are lucky. But sometimes if cars get stuck or there is a breakdown and it takes time for recovery, then the event can go on till as long as it takes. So sometimes we finished at late night as well. But that's it. So if anytime during the day, they are welcome to come.
So 28th is on 28th. The
28th is today, sir.
Yeah.
Today is the scrutiny for
Yeah.
extreme, which is happening here.
yeah.
From tomorrow, these extreme competitors will start competing. They'll go to Kepe and they'll start competing. Tomorrow here we will do the scrutiny for the modified competitors. They will start competing the next day. That is on Wednesday. And on Wednesday we'll do the scrutiny for stock here, and they will start competing from Thursday. So on Thursday everybody is competing, but first 2 days, tomorrow, day after, it is only the extreme and modified competitors who are competing.
What are the prizes?
So this is not this event, the prestige. It's a very prestigious event, and the entire challenge is to win the trophy. It's not a cash prize, and nobody competes for cash prizes. But the overall winner in our extreme category gets a free entry to go and compete in Malaysia in the Rainforest Challenge in Malaysia, which happens in November, December. So that is the prize for the extreme category. Categories total this year. There's stock, modified, and extreme. And in terms of total competitors, we have 30 competitors in stock, we have 22 competitors in modified, and we have 25 competitors in extreme. And across these three categories, we have 9 teams from Goa.
And ladies and gents?
Yes. So again, it's very encouraging this year. We have a lady competing in each of the categories. So in extreme, we have a lady from Goa, Sherry Fernandez, and in modified, we have a lady coming from Kerala, Aparna, and in stock, we have a lady coming from Bangalore, Sapna. So we have one lady competitor in each of the three categories.
So which are the venues
So the first 2 days of the event, which is tomorrow and day after, we are doing it at Kepe in South Goa. It's a private estate, and that is where the extreme and modified will compete. Next 2 days of the event, we are coming closer to Madgaon in a place called Raya. And the last 2 days of the event, Saturday, Sunday, the final closing last fight for the podium is going to happen in Varna. In terms of safety, specifically in the event, all the cars today in the scrutiny are being checked for safety. They all have a roll cage inside, so in the car rolls, the competitor remains safe. We have special seat belts. They're called 4-point harness seat belts, not like the 3-point harness which comes in regular cars. All the cars have fire extinguishers. There are cargo nets, a lot of other safety elements that in case of an accident, in case of a topple, nothing should come and hit the driver and co-driver. They all have to wear helmets. They all wear safety gloves before they handle any equipment. So all those safety measures are enforced. We also have an advanced life-saving ambulance with a medical support always available throughout when the event is happening, and that is how the whole event safety is taken care of.
Groups means categorize categories for this.
Yes, sir. So after 10 years, for 10 years we were running only extreme, highly modified extreme vehicles. This year we have added 2 new categories. So we also have modified, which are lesser modified than extreme, and then we also have a stock category in order to encourage more competitors to come and join the event.
Yes, what's your name?
Satish Gutte.
You are from which place?
Bangalore.
And which category you are taking part?
Extreme.
So earlier, in how many places you have taken part in this?
Last 2 years we were here, and other areas like Bangalore, a lot of competitions, Palar, we go to Dambuk, every place where there is competition.
So what is your message to the spectators?
Exciting, be safe,
Uh,
and enjoy the drive. He can tell better. He has been doing it for a long time.
yeah, what's your name, sir?
Rajiv Lal,
So you are from which place?
Kerala,
And which category you are taking part?
extreme career.
So how long you are in this particular
5 years.
5 years? Any prizes you have won?
Yeah, last year champion.
Champion in which
Extreme category.
of this particular
RFC?
event?
Yeah,
Acha,
RFC,
acha.
yeah.
Last year Indian RFC champion.
Okay.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.